Earn $10 in just minutes with Fiverr. What's going on YouTube? My name is Andre. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome, because I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, or just ways how I could share my knowledge with you so you could go out there and you could crush it and start making money. So I'm going to show you a simple trick of how to make money online using Fiverr. What I'm also going to share with you, another website that you can also make money as well. So not only Fiverr, but I'm going to give you a bonus website that you could go. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to reveal to you that huge bonus throughout the video. It could be in the middle. It could be at the end. I don't know where I'm going to drop it yet. So make sure you watch. So if it's your first time here, show me some love, man. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Help this channel out. If I give you some value, show me some love back just by liking, just by subscribing. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, so that way I can know that, hey, you've watched my video. And for my regulars, so good to have you here. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. I'm going to jump into this right away. Earn $10 in just minutes with Fiverr. So stay tuned. So we're going to jump into it. No delay, no long talking. Let's do this. So I'm on the website, and which I'm not really on the website. I'm on Google. So where we're going to go is Fiverr. So Fiverr. You just want to type into Fiverr, and you can just go directly to the website. So when you go directly to the website, this is Fiverr. You could sign up for it, and you can also become a seller. So it's a freelancing website, and they have so many different freelancing jobs that you can do. But the one I'm going to share with you, this one is crushing. This one is doing good. And the reason why I came up with this idea, because I was trying to figure out something, and then I went on YouTube, I went on Google, and I was like, wow. So afterwards, I came over to Fiverr and I searched, and I realized that people are actually doing this service. It's simple. It's easy. It's not going to take up too much of your time. So once you set up Fiverr and you're ready to go, now what we're going to be doing, we're going to be removing background from pictures. So you have those pictures. Sometimes you'll have a picture, you pop it up, but for some reason you can't remove the background. So if I scroll down here, and you can see that. Now on the right side, this is the original photo. Now the person wanted to remove everything and make it clean. Now I'm going to share with you a website that you could go and you can remove everything. I'm going to show you step by step of exactly how to do it. So as I told you, it doesn't require a lot of time, and I'm going to share with you that bonus website that you can even make more money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So on here, people are charging anywhere from $5, five. There's like $5. But most of them, they do $5, but they don't sell it in bulk. And let me just click on here. So basic background remover, $5. Remove background from 4 images with unlimited revisions and 100% quality. So he's doing 4 images for $5, 4 image. And I'm going to share with you that website that you can do up to 20 image for like $10. So on here, you could beef things up. You can make things even better. You have basic, there's standard. He's doing 7 images for 10. I'm still gonna show you a way how you can be above everybody else. Premium, same thing. He's doing 10 image for $15. Man, all right. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're basically going to be taking this person and put him on a background. So we want to go back to the good old Google. And for this one, you want to go to remove.bg. You can go here, remove. You can go here, right? So if you go remove.bg, it's going to take you right here. So on here, I already started already. I took one of my photos, the original photo, and this is what it looks like. So you can see, I just click on here where it says select a photo. I click on it, I select this photo, and I click it, and this is the original, and this is the image background. Now, it's there, but how do we edit it? How do we remove these square and also gray background from it? So you want to click on edit, and then when you click on edit, this right here, if you click there, you could see you can put it in whichever location you want. So you could do all these things. You know, people say, oh, I'm in the US or whatever. But you get the idea. Most people use these for thumbnails. And that's what I was working on. I was like, there's some really cool thumbnails out there. How can I do these things? And most of you probably watching my YouTube video right now, I figure things out as I go. I wasn't a professional. You know, most of you think that, well, I don't have so many subscribers, or like, don't worry about it. Just start. You'll figure things out as you go along. Like me, I just figure out how to do this stuff. So if you want to remove it, you can click on where it says color. And if you click on the color area, you can click on white. So the white, and you can download. You can click on the download image, or you can continue. So you could download it because you're going to want to remove it. So there it is right there. It's simple. It's easy. It's a simple trick that you can make money, $10 over and over, just by doing this, because I realized that I didn't even know that people were doing this. So people are jumping on board this thing right away, and people are start getting reviews. People are getting, so I know Fiverr is a huge competition, but we could go over to a website that is called People Hour. And if you go to peopleperhour.com, you click on where it says remove background, and look over here. This is like 10, 35, 10. This person right here is removing 100 image for $35. This person, 20 for 10. So if you look on here, $10, you can come over here, and on your Fiverr account, you could just beef things up. I can remove background from images, and you can put $10 right here, starting at 10, or you could start at 5. So that way, in this section here, because you're building your profile. So in here, you could say this is basic. You can even put 8 for $5, because over here there's 20 for 10. So you can even do 10 for 5. So you're gonna be winning. You're gonna be killing it, because people are gonna be like, wow, this person, like he's giving away 10 images for $10. So it's like $1, or you could give away 10 for 5, right? So you gotta learn a way how to do that. And then when you click on standard, you bump it up to 15 for 10, or 15 for 10. So if you do $5, you can put 10, and you can put 15 right here, and then premium, you can add more. So you could do that, and you could start your own little business. But when you come over here, you could do the same thing too. You basically can set up your gig, and this is like $10 over and over again. So that's all you got to do, is you set it up, and you can make this type of money. So that's a simple way, simple trick, whichever one you want to call it, of making money online. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I didn't want to make it too long. Don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know where you're watching this from. And if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Looking for my #1 recommendation, and you want to work with me, check out the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.